Good morning, my lovely souls. So, today's tapping session is about action and transformation. So, today, this session is designed to help you to address and release blocks related to seeking therapy, developing self compassion, mindfulness practices, setting realistic goals, and building a support network, stress management, assertiveness, prioritizing self care, challenging negative beliefs, seeking social support, addressing relationship issues, improving time management, financial planning, engaging in hobbies, and practicing gratitude. So now you find a quiet and comfortable space and take few deep breaths to center yourself. As you tap, focus on the specific issue you are addressing and allow yourself to fully experience and release these emotions. So, today, let's embark on this journey of action and transformation together. We'll start with the karate chop. Even though I feel overwhelmed by the changes I need to make, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I sometimes doubt my ability to create positive change, I choose to love and accept myself fully. Even though I fear seeking help and taking action, I deeply and completely accept myself and my journey. Now we'll tap through the meridian points. I feel overwhelmed by the need to make changes. It feels like there's so much to do, and I'm not sure where to start. I doubt my ability to create lasting change. What if I fail? What if I can't keep up with these new habits? I fear seeking help. What if therapy doesn't work? What if I can't trust my support network? I struggle with self compassion. I find it hard to be kind to myself. I'm so used to criticizing myself. Mindfulness seems difficult to practice. My mind is always racing. How can I find peace in the present moment? Setting realistic goals are feeling challenging for me. I tend to aim too high and then get disappointed. I want to achieve, but I fear failing. I need to build a support network. What if I am rejected or misunderstood? I fear being vulnerable with others. I need effective stress management. The stress keeps piling up. I need to find ways to relax and recharge. Assertiveness is hard for me. I fear conflict and rejection. I want to express my needs confidently. Self care often feels selfish. I struggle to prioritize myself, but I know it's essential for my well being. Challenging negative beliefs feels daunting. They have been with me for so long. How can I change my thinking patterns? I need to seek social support, but reaching out feels scary. What if I'm a burden to others? Addressing relationship issues is tough. I want healthier connections, but I'm afraid of confrontation and change. The time management feels overwhelming. I have so much to do. How can I manage my time better? Financial planning is stressful. I worry about money constantly. I need a plan to feel secure. Engaging in hobbies seems frivolous, but I miss joy and creativity. I want to reconnect with my passion. Practicing gratitude feels forced sometimes, but I want to appreciate life more. I want to cultivate a grateful heart. I choose to release my fears. I am capable of creating positive change. I believe in my ability to transform my life. I choose to seek help when needed. Therapy and support are acts of strength. I am not alone on this journey. I choose to practice self compassion. I deserve kindness and understanding. I am worthy of love and acceptance. I choose to embrace mindfulness. I find peace in the present moment. I am grounded and calm. I choose to set realistic goals. I celebrate my progress. I am patient with my growth. I choose to build a support network. I am worthy of connection. I am supported and loved. I choose effective stress management. I prioritize relaxation and self care. I am balanced and rejuvenated. I choose to be assertive. I express my needs confidently. I am empowered and respected. I choose to prioritize self care. I nourish my body and I am deserving of care and attention. I choose to challenge negative beliefs. I cultivate positive thinking. I am transforming my mindset. I choose to seek social support. I reach out and connect. I am not a burden. I am loved. I choose to address relationship issues. I create healthy connections. I am open to positive change. I choose effective time management. I manage my time wisely. I am productive and focused. I choose to financial planning. I create a secure future. I am financially empowered. I choose to engage in hobbies. I embrace joy and creativity. I am fulfilled and inspired. I choose to practice gratitude. I appreciate life's blessings. I am grateful and content. Relax. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Release any remaining tension. Notice how you feel now compared to when we started. Embrace the shifts and insights that have emerged during this tapping session. And remember, you have the power to create positive change in your life. Carry this sense of empowerment and transformation with you as your